So okay guys, I think everyone completed. So we'll move to programming. Okay, so everyone completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, so okay, I'll show you programming. So yeah, this is the programming part for speak recognition. uh, so we are doing programming for each image. Okay, this is image 1. Okay, for image 1, so go to image 1. First go to image 1, take this one. When image 1 clicked, take this image 1 clicked, and then go to speak recognition 1. Okay, so for image 1 you need to take speak recognition 1. Go to speak recognition 1 and take this one called speak recognition dot get text. Call speak recognition get text.
So under blocks.
Sorry.
So you're doing this under blocks, right?
Yes, I'm saying blocks. Here, can you see? Can you see my screen?
So this is the first step, right?
Yes, this is the first step. Go to image 1. Can you see my screen? Go to image 1.
Yeah, so now I can see your
Yeah.
sliding.
Take image 1. Okay, and then go to speak recognition 1. Okay, so and take this one. Call speak recognition dot get text. Okay, and just join it like this. Join it like this. So
Yeah,
what
sir.
it,
After
yeah.
that?
So yeah, I'll tell you. So if I press that image, it will just on speaker recognition. Um, so and it will just get the try to recognize the speech and try to get the text. It will make it as a text. Okay. So and it will send that data. Okay. So it will just store the data
Okay.
here.
Sir, so for every word there will be a like a code. So when you say that word, it will automatically code it as text.
Yes, not a word. If you can also say a sentence, a line. Okay, but it will just stay for 2 seconds, like 2 to 3 seconds. Speak recognition. It
So
will
we
just
have to
on
do
for,
for all images, all 4.
yes, for all 4 images you need to do. Okay, so yeah, so after completing this, go to click speak recognition and take this one, speak recognition after getting text. Okay, speak recognition after getting
So 1 minute, 1 minute.
text. So after getting this one called speak recognition get text. Okay, so again click speak recognition and take this first one, speak recognition after getting
Yeah, sir.
text.
I did that.
Okay, done. So yeah, after this so it will, so we are going to give so we are going to get the text in text box. Okay, here we are going to get that. First we are going to get the text
Understood.
here. Okay, so when when speak recognition 1, after getting text, go to text box 1. Okay, take this set text box 1 uh, text. Okay, set text box 1 text to get result. Okay, this is the result. Okay, so here.
Sir, can you show again what was it on the text box?
Okay, so okay, guys, everyone just listen again. So in text box 1, take this one, set text box background color, and change this background color. Instead of this background color, you want to choose text. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, because
sir, we have to do image 4 click speech recognizer 4 like that.
yes.
All the programs are same, sir. Image 1, 2, 3, 4.
All the
Then I
programs.
completed till
Don't
that, sir.
wait, because so first complete this one and then go here. Text. Okay, so if you completed,
So I
uh,
completed this, sir.
okay,
I
okay, no
completed
problem, no problem.
1, 2,
So
3, 4.
go to speak recognition and start doing this.
Yes, sir. I also completed that also. I'll tell
Okay,
you the
and
same.
go to text box one. Take this, set text box
I
one.
completed it also. I completed the programming part.
This one for
Yes, sir. All
speech
programming
recognition
part I completed.
1, 2,
Image
3,
1,
4.
2. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. I completed the images, speech recognizer 2 like that. So
Okay.
all are completed for
Okay,
me.
So
okay, just
after
listen.
that,
Okay, so after this, can you see here result? Can you
yes, sir.
see? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so take this one, get result, and place it here.
So we have to do program for speech recognizer another one.
Yes, speak
Means
recognition
when
1, 2, 3, 4. You need to program same.
sir,
Okay.
when you are showing in second one, sir, first second one,
See,
partial like
because
that.
listen. See, because so for image 1, I'm just owning speak recognition 1. Okay, so and if speak recognition get on, it will just start collecting, start recognizing speech. Okay, so if you say hello, it will just convert the voice into text and it will uh, sh- uh, show it in text box 1. It will just print here in text box 1.
So
So
after this,
as the same, just copy,
and do it for all four.
make it image 2
Sir means speech recognizer one result partial. I completed that also, sir.
partial.
So you have to do
Yes, sir,
text box. You forgot text
there is
box.
Yes,
speech
first complete
recognizer
this for.
after getting text.
Okay,
After getting
wait. Let everyone complete. Let everyone complete. If you complete it, no, okay, it's okay. So let everyone complete. Guys, complete this
we
for
have to,
all the 4 images.
sir
Okay.
means we have another program also.
Yes. Yes, we have another program
So
also.
when we duplicate the speech recognizer one, we also have to change the text box, right?
Yes, text box 1, if for image 1,
For speech
you need to
recognizer
use
two,
text box 1, image 2, text box 2. For
yeah,
image
okay.
3, text box 3, image 4 is text box 4. Okay, and here also speak recognition 4. So image 1, for image 1, you need to use speak recognition 1 and text box 1. Okay, so I like that. For image 2, speak recognition 2, text box 2. Okay,
Sir,
this is the parameter you need to change. So everything is same. Yeah, because
sir, you are showing the programming now, sir. I completed that also.
okay, yeah. So have we completed
Means
this also in in image 1, speak recognition 1? You need to also
yes,
change
sir, I
this
completed that.
text box 1 for
I
image
completed
2.
that also.
So everything you need to do like speak recognition 2, text box also you need to keep text box 2?
Yes, sir, I completed that also.
Everything
Image one,
I checked.
2. Yes, sir, I completed.
till image 4.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Every
Image for speech recognizer 4.
okay,
I completed that.
okay, good.
We have another program also,
Yes,
sir.
yes. So another programming is very simple. We are going to combine all this result in a single we are going to
Yeah, sir, done.
combine this result and going to print it as a single paragraph. Okay, so for this we are going to we are going to fetch, okay, we are going to print it in label 2. We are going to print all this result in label 2. So this is the programming for uh, so button
Okay, sir,
1 is
one
this
minute.
one, display paragraph. Button 1 is display paragraph. If you press button 1, if you press button 1, it will just fetch this result like this. Label, set label to dot text to join. Everyone know, right, how to use this join?
So I don't.
Okay, so okay,
Sir,
first,
I know how to use giant, sir.
yes. So okay, so just go to button 1 and take this one, button 1 clicked. Okay, and then go to label 2 and take this one, set label to background color and change it to text. Okay, so and join it here. So first complete this. So and then
So 1 second, I'll come.
so first I'm just taking the result from text box 1. Okay, and I'm just giving a full stop. Okay, and it will just start a text box 2.
Sir, we have to leave only the text. We have to take empty text and leave it like that.
Empty text? What
Yes,
empty
sir,
text?
that empty text. Join, sir. For join, you put it the empty text second one.
This is not empty text, this is full stop.
Okay, sir.
I'm just making full stop. Okay, so like because we are going to make a paragraph. Okay, so we are going to combine all the text together, so it will looks like a paragraph. So for
So
each
after
line,
that,
okay, for each line you need to make full stop. So this is full stop. Okay, not empty text box. So after this, go to text. So say go to text here. In blocks, go to text. Can you see
yes,
this?
sir. Yeah.
Take join. Don't place it. First take join.
So like when I'm using join, only two
Yes.
connected things are coming.
Yes. We need to add. So here we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. We need to 8. We need to connect 8 blocks, right? So can you see this blue color button? Click it.
Yes, sir.
Click it. So can you see string?
Yes, sir.
So just add it here. 1.
Okay, so then we can add n number of times. Okay, sir.
Yes, we can add it n number of times. So add it like this. So just I add 6. Okay, 7 and 8. Done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And just
Sir,
join it.
completed the join one, sir. Join one. Completed
Join?
that button one. Button one, sir. I completed the button one.
Okay, so if you completed button 1, scan using a companion and check whether your app is working or not. It will work.
Okay, sir.
So first check working fine
Sir,
or
can
Sir,
I
8,
add?
right?
Sir,
yeah.
can I add one screen
So
and
wait, Vikas.
make my own program?
What?
Can I add one screen and make my own program?
Here is
Ending
in
screen,
this
sir. Can I
no.
put the ending screen?
Because you first complete this first. First check the output. Okay. So after this you can add anything. First check the output.
Okay,
So I'm
sir.
done with this.
So are there 8 in it? 8.
8, yes, 8. You need to add
Okay, so
8.
after this,
So after this, just go to text box 1. Take this, one, the first one. Okay. So instead of this background color, change it to text and place it here. And so it will just so like so here if you click this button and you are saying um, like my name is my name is X and Y. Okay, so you're saying my name is Vidyasagar. I'm saying my name is Vidyasagar. So it will just print my name is Vidyasagar. Okay, so it will not give any full stop or anything. Okay, so we need to give full stop. Okay, in result, while we are going to print as a paragraph, so we need to add full
so how
stop.
do you get full stop?
So go to text and take this empty box. Can you see this empty box? Okay, take it and place it here and just type full stop inside this empty box. Simple.
Yeah, sir, done.
Done. So same, just copy this one, place it here, change it to text box 2, copy this full stop also. So copy this text box 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so do this. So do like this. Okay.
So I'm done now. I got the output also.
Okay. This is working,
No, but
right?
there's a error. Like if you only if you only say for only first text box, and
Okay.
if you click on display para, still those rest three extra full stops are coming.
Okay, okay, okay. Uh, so actually, we need to, uh, so one, if you need to use four text buttons. Okay. So yeah, it will come because we have added here, right? Full stop. So it
Yes,
will
sir.
come.
So
To avoid it, to avoid this one,
So one doubt.
yeah,
We have to do this for every button. 1, 2, and 3, 4.
we have only added one button.
Okay, okay. Check para.
Yes, we have only added one button.
Yeah, yeah. So done. Code done.
Done. Good, good. Um, so yeah, Piyush, this is not like it's not like speak recognition. So it's a basic programming for speak recognition. Okay, so you have to use. So if it's like if you are using all the four text speak recognition, and if you press display para, it will display a paragraph. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, done, guys.
So can I show the output?
Yeah, Piyush. So can you can you share can you share your mobile phone? Oh, okay, good. Okay, so just click the text box. Sorry, speech recognition button. Okay, just say anything. Okay, it's printing. Okay. Okay.
Sir, I told yes sir it is coming, and it came like that. Yes, it is
Okay.
coming.
Yeah, it's working right. So it's just for speak recognition. Okay, how to use this component speak recognition? So the speak recognition is working fine, right?
Yes sir.
Yes. So guys, any doubt? Others, do you have any doubt? Yeah, Sujay. Others, anyone have any doubt?
So
Yeah, Vikas.
when I am telling the paragraph for all the text, it is
Okay.
showing that
Hmm.
when I will display, when I will click display para, it is showing that first I said hi, then it is showing only hi and full stop, hi and full stop, hi and full stop, hi and full stop. So
You go and check your program. Go and check your program. Go in. Okay, I'll show you. Go. Okay, share your screen.
okay, so 1 minute.
So that's why I said, please check your program whether you have given for image one.
So
You
you
need to give.
disabled the
No,
screen
no, no,
sharing.
no,
So
no. Okay, wait. Okay, now just check.
okay, so no.
Okay, make it. Uh, image one, image speaker. Okay, down. Okay. I understood. Down. See here. You are given text box one, text box one, text box one, text.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now just check. Will come.
Okay, sir.
Sir, for me it's showing that it has some extras or something, sir.
Extra.
Sir, when I try to use the recognition, it's showing no activity found to handle intent. Act is equal to Android. Speed
Sir,
start.
it is working now.
Okay. So I think
Sir, it is working now.
it's working right. So okay, Ridhima. So once you press the button, so just speak loudly. Just speak loudly. Okay. So it is because if your mic is weak, or if it's not working properly, it will not recognize. Okay. So try to speak loud or use another phone. Use any other phone and try it.
Okay, sir.
So okay, guys. Uh, okay, we'll end the session here. So guys, try to complete your okay, try to complete your apps. Okay, so in next class, try to do some innovative project. Okay. try to present your innovative project. Okay, so next week, yeah.
So
Just
what
so
innovative project, sir?
like with the same concept, okay, with the same concept, try to do some new app,
Okay, sir.
okay, with your own idea. Okay, so Vikas, I think, yeah, Vikas has submitted his program, right? So yeah, Vikas is good. Okay, so I forgot to reply. So it's good, Vikas. So you use present, right? You have posted Vikas. You have posted, right, in group.
No, sir, I did not post it. I will post.
Oh, I think it's not you. Okay. So okay, guys. Okay, okay, guys. We'll see you next class. So we'll end the session now. Okay.